Hey friends, if you encounter that this issue where SearchHost.exe is suspended on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows search service, right click on it and then select restart. Once this is sorted, you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, type the command sfc // scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this doesn't help, then you can update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.